If no one sees the work, how do you know it happened? It all starts with trust and security. But trust alone doesn't prove a patrol happened, or that every checkpoint was completed. With one tap, every checkpoint becomes a verified record. Cleaning. It needs the same confidence, the same accountability, the same proof. Assurance that emergency exits, fire alarms, and extinguishers are compliant, that they work when you need them most. From proof of presence and compliance to key and asset management, incident management, visitor management, and more, every activity is captured, connected, and verifiable within a single platform. Because trust is where every operation begins, but verification is where confidence remains.